Today we're heading to an elephant sanctuary to stay overnight. It's gonna be a really good day and I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
I think there's fish in that pond. I'm gonna go look.
See, this is a flower that
I don't know actually where they did it or they were doing it the opposite.
We made it to the ring shop.
Stop it.
Swadika. I love a bean sprout. Today's lunch is pad thai with pork. What'd you get?
Patsy, you with chicken.
This is a whole clove of garlic.
How would you rate lunch?
Oh, that was a 10 out of 10.
Absolutely.
That was absolute smash.
Taste test.
That's really good.
I get protein apple juice. Wonderful.
This is mango poppy. I'm not a fan of the mango.
Oh, no, I don't like that one.
I don't like it either. You're supposed to eat the whole thing?
I think so. I do.
I don't love a watermelon seed.
No, I like sunflower better.
We made it up the mountain. We are in the foothills of the Alps now.
No, the Himalayas.
The Himalayas. We're in the foothills of the Himalayas now.